Need to catch a train in Shanghai? Need to catch the metro and you're a bit confused? We're going to show you how to do it. It's really easy. So these M's are everywhere. M for metro, lets you know that there is a train station or a metro nearby. And then you walk on through. If you don't speak Chinese, it's fine. Most signs are in English as well. And you need to look for something like this, which says tickets. Tickets are where you're going to go and buy your ticket. And the ticket spaces look like this. Looks intimidating, but doesn't have to be. What we're going to do is we're going to click on English. And you click on a space and it like zooms in. So you sort of got to know roughly where you want to go. Now I would recommend going and downloading the map. You can get the map off the internet quite easily of the entire metro system. Down the bottom you've got the line. So if you don't know the actual location, but you do know the line that it's a part of. Right, so I am going on line 8, which is down here, line 8. You see 1 through to 9, you click on more and you can get access to all of the other lines. Okay. My blue line, which is line 8, I could select. I know that I'm roughly around here. So I'm going to click in this area and I'm going to look for my station. Now my station is this one here. And I'm going to select on that. You see that over here, it now tells me that the destination is South Nanjing Road and it's going to cost me 3 yen. And how many of these tickets do I want? You can buy these in bulk, 1 or more. I'm just going to go one way. So I'm going to select on 1. You select as many as you actually need to. Now, once it's on selected, you then can do a QR code, and this is where your Alipay, your Alibaba sort of service, or your WeChat will actually work. And in some cases, this may actually happen, which means you may need to actually go to a counter if you're not able to pay for this yourself. Banknotes may work right here. Otherwise, inserting coins will do the trick. But in my case, I'm going to go and scan the code and pay with my WeChat. And if all has worked, the machine should do its trick. And that should now pop out. Now the next step is to find your line. Go and find the color line, and the lines all coordinate to the colors on the map. Now in my case, I need to go first to the People's Square. So I'm going to go and look for the line which takes me to that spot. Left and right, one train will go one way, one train will go the other way, and then at People's Square I can then change to my other line, which is going to take me back to the station that I need to get to as my final destination. Left, right. Which one are you going to choose? We'll go look at the maps on top of each of the 2 platforms. We're currently at People's Square. We're now looking for my station. So with the train arriving, you're going to notice it's going to stop perfectly on the doors. There are 2 sets of doors on the train and then on the actual platform itself. It'll line up perfectly and then both doors will open. So amazing. Love Shanghai. So once you've made it, it's time to exit. Get your pass, because now you're going to need that pass to get out. Now here's the important thing, is if you had a one-way ticket, then you're not going to tap on the machine. You're going to put the little card inside of the slot in the front and the machine will gobble up that card and you'll never see that card again. Oh, and one last thing, don't worry if you miss your train, there's going to be another one in a couple minutes. Don't worry about a timetable or a schedule. There's trains quite frequently, which makes this an awesome experience. There you go, getting around on train here in Shanghai.